Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's TikTok tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the new Disney text-to-speech on TikTok that's been blowing up everywhere and is on everybody's For You page. There's actually some secret words that you need to type in, and it's not hard to do at all, but I completely understand why you're looking up this tutorial because they don't exactly explain how to get these voices. So if you update your TikTok to the newest possible version, you'll get the rocket sound effect by default, and it sounds like this.
Hello, this is Sauce from the Viral Kingdom. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like.
However, to unlock all the other Disney text-to-speech options, you need to type in these secret words, and I'm gonna have those right here. Before we get into that though, if you guys could go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel to help me hit 100,000 subscribers, it would mean a ton. With that being said, let's get right into it. So if you want the character C3PO, you gotta type in droid, and then once you type in droid, the option will pop up.
Droid.
If you want Groot, you just need to type in I am Groot, and then you'll get the option for Groot.
I am Groot.
From Lilo and Stitch, you just want to type in Ohana, and then you'll get the option for Stitch.
Ohana.
If you want a stormtrooper, you just have to type in the option for Empire, and then you'll get that.
Empire.
And then lastly, if you type in Chewie, you will get Chewbacca. So I hope this helps you guys get all the different Disney text-to-speech options. If you have any additional questions, please leave them down in the comment section. And as always, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Make sure you left a like, subscribe to the channel, and peace. See you guys later.
Thank you.